Welcome back everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your PlayStation 5 is stuck on a black screen. Now the first reason and the main reason why this may be happening is basically you have a poor connection from your PlayStation 5 to your actual monitor or TV. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that HDMI port from your PlayStation 5 is fully functional and that it's connecting properly to your specific device and to your monitor or to your TV. If that's fully functional and everything, you can verify that, then you can pretty much move on to something else. Now, for some reason, it's still not working out properly and you're experiencing this type of issue. Well, the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure that that HDMI cord that you're using is also working fine and that that's fully functional as well. Again, the number one thing that I've seen time and time again is that some people end up not using or not, actually using a proper HDMI cord, and that can have a lot of issues as well. So that is another massive thing I would highly recommend you guys looking at as well. On top of that, another big thing you can do is to restart your PlayStation console. So what this looks like is you essentially go ahead, boot your console off. So go ahead and power it off. And then what you want to do there is you want to unplug everything from that console. So when you're done with that, you want to go ahead and basically put everything back together after about 20-30 seconds of leaving it, just kind of sitting there. And then you want to boot your console back up and you want to see if it's actually working then. If it's working, then it was probably just a poor connection somewhere and you got it fixed. However, if it's still not working, what the next thing you want to try is to actually boot your console into safe mode. So in order to do this, what you want to do is you actually want to go ahead and hold down on that power button on your specific console until you hear 2 beeps. So you basically hear 1 beep and then you hear another beep right after. And what you want to do then is you want to go ahead and see if your console registers safe mode on your monitor. 99% of the time, this is an easy way to tell if it's a PlayStation problem or if it's a cord or monitor problem. If you're able to see something on the display come up, then it's basically a console problem, and we'll fix that in a second. But if nothing is still coming up on your console and you can hear the beeps and everything, well, there's probably something wrong with the monitor and you're going to have to get that fixed in order to move on. But if you're able to see safe mode, what you want to do is you basically want to go ahead and either restart the PlayStation 5, you can try updating the system software, and you can try, ultimately, if none of those things work, you can reset the PlayStation 5 and see if that fixed the problem. So those are just a couple different things you can do. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out till then.